In this video, we're going to look at adding and subtracting negative numbers. When you're adding and subtracting with negative numbers, you often want to use a number line. Now you can either draw the number line, like we've got here, or you can just picture the number line in your head. When you've got a question involving negative numbers, there are three parts to it, and each part tells you something about what you need to do. So the first part is the number at the front, and that tells you where you start on the number line. So you start, in this case, at +4. The second part is the sign in the middle, and that tells you which direction you go in. So you go in this direction. If it's positive, you'd go up the number line, and if it's negative, you would go down the number line. And the last part of the question, the number at the end, tells you how much you moved by. So you either move up the number line or you move down the number line by this last number. So for this question, we're starting at +4, we're going down because it's a negative, and we're going down 6. So we start at +4, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so the answer to this question is -2. Now in this question, again, we start where the first number is. So this time we're going to start at -5. We've got a plus, which means we're going up the number line, and 8 means we're going up 8 places. So we start at -5 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer to this question is +3. In this one, we start at -1, we're going down the number line, and we're going down by 5. So we start at -1, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer here is -6. If the second number in the question is a negative number, like in these examples, then we have two signs in the middle of our question, which means before we can do our answer, we have to change these two signs into the one sign that they're equivalent to. And we do that using this set of rules. If both the signs are positive, they will be equivalent to a positive, or a plus. If both the signs are negative, they're also equivalent to plus. But if one sign is positive and one sign is negative, or one sign is negative and one sign is positive, then they'll be equivalent to take away. So if both signs are the same, you get positive. If both signs are different, you get a takeaway. So looking at this question, we've got a positive and a negative in the middle. So that here we can see is going to become a negative. That means this question is 5 take away 7. So we start at 5 on our number line, we go down 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so the answer there is -2. Over here, this time we've got two negatives, so that means that's going to be equivalent to a positive. So this is 1 plus 4. Start at 1 on the number line, go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 5. Here we have a positive and a negative. So that's going to be a negative. So we've got -3 take away 2. So we start at -3. We're going down by 2. So 1, 2. The answer to that is -5. And the final one, again we've got two negatives. Two negatives are equivalent to a plus. So we've got -5 plus 9. So we start at -5 and we're going up by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer there is positive 4.